And now I am going to teach you how to understand the simple basics of algebra. How to understand what a fraction is. Based on the details that I am providing you right now, you can come to a conclusion whether you have actually understood solving equations so far. Now I am going to write some things on the board and explain them clearly. So it's going to take some time, and let's see whether you can actually grasp it. Okay, let's look at this now. Now when I say it as x plus 7 is equal to 10. Now what you all think is that this plus 7 goes to the other side. This becomes 10 minus 7. In a way, you guys are correct. I mean, like it is correct. But remember, children, there are certain some things that are known as operational couples. Now, these terms are not there to be found in any textbook or whatsoever. I am giving this to you so that you all can understand them easily. What are operational couples? Uta, we have addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. Again, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. Here, x and 7, they were added. So this plus 7, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus. That is, its addition becomes subtraction. Now let's look at this. 2x is equal to 10. We do understand the fact that 2 and x are multiplied, and it is now when the multiplied 2 goes to the other side. Understand this. Multiplied 2 goes to the other side, it becomes division. 10 divided by 2 can be represented as such. But there is a crucial part, a very important part, where we always miss. Oh, I mean, it's not like being missed up. It's like, I don't know, something happens that teachers might forget to teach you all. You should always consider the signs, then you should go for the numbers, and finally, if there are any letters or variables, you should consider the letters or the variables. Now, let's see what is happening. Now, do not think of addition and subtraction as two signs. Then, of course, things get mixed up. If you look at this, minus 2x is equal to 10. According to this theory, if minus term goes to this side, it becomes plus. But here, we understand that minus 2 is multiplied by x. Therefore, when this minus 2 goes to the other side, it is plus 10, that is divided by minus 10. We should understand that it is not the plus or the minus, or in fact the sign that is changing. No, sign never changes. It is the operational couple or the operational symbol that changes when it goes from one place to the other from the equal sign. Here, x plus 7. Yes, somebody might claim that it is positive 7. The sign of 7 is plus. Correct. But you should also understand that the operational symbol that joins, that combines x and 7 is plus. Therefore, this plus now goes to the other side, becomes minus. In this particular instance, we don't see that minus 2 becoming plus 2. Why? It is minus 2 that is multiplied by x. Therefore, this multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. Now, as I have shown, we prioritize on the signs, then the numbers, and then the letters. Let's look at this. Plus divided by minus, minus. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, children, these are easy at the moment. But when we get on to complex numbers, when I say complex numbers, are these actually very complex? Let's see. Let's look at this. Now I'm going to get this. The first few minutes I'll be doing the explanation, right? Okay. Now let's look at this a bit further when we dig down. Minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 11, let's say. Look at this now. Here, minus 7 goes to the other side. It becomes plus. Because the operational symbol that was joining minus 3x and 7 is minus. When go to the other side becomes plus. Minus 3x is now plus 18. What is it, children? Plus 18. Now what do we have? Here, minus 3 multiplied by x is plus 18. Now this multiplied 3, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division and hence the answer is minus 6. Why? Because we have to follow the particular order, signs, numbers and letters. As we move forward, what will happen? Now think of it as such. We have two numbers, 2 and 3. There can be two values for 2. It can be minus 2 or plus 2. It can be minus 3 or plus 3. Now I am going to write 4 variations on the board. Let's see. These are simple yet subtle values, subtle calculations where you have to know the theory. Without knowing these basic theories, you won't be able to do the calculations when it comes to algebra. It can be complex algebra, it can be factorizing, it can be completing the square method, it can be differentiation, integration, whatnot as we move forward. But quadratics, trinomials, polynomials, division of polynomials, when you go to A-levels, we know that we are getting those. But let's look at this. Plus 2 into plus 3. Plus into plus, plus 2 into 3, 6, that's pretty easy, right? Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus, again plus 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 2 into plus 3. Minus into plus minus, 2 into 3 is 6. Plus 2 into minus 3. Plus into minus minus 2 into 3 is 6. Now what is important is this. Very important, very clearly understand this. What is it that we understand? It is irrelevant. Adalane. Whether it's 2 plus terms multiplied or 2 minus terms that are multiplied, because the final answer will not show which number was plus or which number was minus. Therefore, it is always a must for us to understand and follow these signs, numbers, letters. Furthermore, let's look at this. Let's have the two numbers 10 and 2. Again, I can have minus 10 or plus 10, minus 2o plus 2. Plus 10 divided by plus 2. Look at that. It is plus 5. Plus divided by plus 10 divided by 2, 5. Minus 10 divided by minus 2, again plus 5. Plus 10 divided by minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 10 divided by plus 2 is what? Minus 5. Now, this is something that you should understand really well, right? This, you might think of this as, this is grade 7 work, this is grade 8 work, no pute. I have seen many a times children failing in these calculations. Okay, right. Now, let's look at this simple calculations again. These are not as simple as you think, but we'll give it a try, huh? Right. Now, how do we join these calculations that we have been doing? Join them, right? All the theories that we have been learning so far, how do we join one to the other? Now, let's look at this. Very simple, very easy. Now, let's look at this. 2 times minus x plus 3, let's make this minus, is equal to 3 times 2x plus 4. And to make things no need, right? Here from the outside number, we multiply the inside terms. Yes or no? Now, in this particular instance, understand that these terms, they do not have a definite sign. They are in a transition mode. They are in a transition mode. they do not have a specific sign at the instance. At this particular very instance, these numbers, they do not have any specific value. Let's see. Minus into minus. Again, we go with the signs, numbers, letters. Minus into minus, plus. X into 2, 2x. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 2, 6. Now only we are calculating the final value for each expression. Plus into plus, plus. 2 into 3, 6. X. Minus into plus, minus. 4 into 3, 12. Now what do we do? Now initially what did we do? Hurry. Here we say we expand and solve. Here we say Pute, we expand and then we solve. Now what are we going to do now? Write the like terms together. Write the like terms together. Whatever the terms that are alike, we should write them together. Now we should think of those things. What is it? Plus 2x. It is addition 2x. Now when this plus 6x goes to this side, it becomes minus. Yes or no? It becomes minus. Look at this, very easy. Minus 4x. Minus 6 goes to the other side. Minus 12 plus 6. What is it now? Minus 6. You do understand the fact that here minus 4 is multiplied by x. Therefore, what is the other operational couple that is involved? The operational couple, what is involved now? Minus 4 multiplied by x. So when minus 4 goes to the other side, is it becoming plus 4? No. When minus 4 goes to the other side, we should understand that it's the multiplied operation that goes to the other side, making it, what is it, Pute? Making it division. According to this particular order, minus divided by minus is what now? Plus. Of course, you may leave the answer in the form XO4. Maybe simplify a little 3 and 2. 3 over 2 O. X as 1.5. If we do not specify the symbol, then it is going to be plus. Right. I want you to take this down really fast. Right. There's a lot of explanation that needs to be done. Take this down fast, children, please. Right. Now we have this, right? Okay. Now let's move on and try to figure out something else. Not something else. Simple ones. 2 times x minus 3 minus over 7 is equal to minus 2x plus 5. Now let's look at this sum. Now when you look at this sum, what is it that you understand? Alright. From the outside number, we multiply the inside terms. No? That is what we do. No? Here, we can assume that minus 1 times as such. That minus 1 is multiplied. Therefore, minus 2x into minus 1 plus 5 into minus 1, which is minus into minus plus 2x plus into minus minus 5. So we have here what we have plus x minus 2x plus 6 over 7 plus 2x minus 5. Now, in this particular concept, what is it that you should understand? You should understand that minus 2x plus 6, everything is divided by 7. Therefore, when this divided 7 goes to the other side, remember, this is plus and that plus 7 is what is being gone to the other side. Minus 2x plus 6 is again we multiply all of this by 7. Now what you should understand clearly is that whatever that was there to be dealt with fractions or brackets, we deal with it and we deal with each individual sign. Here we deal with the minus and minus 2x plus 5. Here we deal with this and now when the 7 goes into the side, it becomes multiplication. Therein what we have? Minus 2x plus 6 is equal to here, whatever you think is happening again, plus 2x into plus 7 minus 5 into plus 7. Therein plus 14x minus 35. Look at that. Very easy. Now minus 2x minus 14x minus 35 minus 6. Minus 16x is equal to minus 41. Therein what we have? X is minus 41 divided by minus 16. Very easy. Now minus divided by minus plus. How many 16 times are there for 41? 2. We know that, right? So 2 and it is 9 over 16. Very easy. Yeah? Okay. Text down. Very important. Very easy sum. Yeah. Very easy. And this is the theory that you should understand. This is what happens. Okay? Right. Right. Now we have understood some substantial amount of work here. I have given enough time to copy this down. Now let's look at a bit of a how can I say? Huh? Let's see. Let's look at this. What 4 over x plus 3 might is equal to x plus 2. Now this might look a bit, how can I say, difficult? No, it's not. It'll make things more difficult if you want later. Here, this whole term, x plus 3 is to be taken to the other side. 4 is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 3. Now, when we multiply these two, this is basically expansion of two factors. X plus 2 times x plus 3. That would be x squared plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 6, x squared plus 5, x plus 6. Okay? Right. Now what do we have? 4 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now when I take this 4 to the other side, what happens? As you can see, we cannot further factorize this using normal factorizing that you will have learned since grade 9. Right? So we'll have to leave it as such. But remember, this can be indeed factorized using a method known as completing the square method. So what my point here is, what you should understand is, even if you are to get an expression as such, do not panic, do not worry. In your level examinations or whatever it is, then of course you'll have to, in an examination like all of us, you'll have to use completing the square method and keep on factorizing till you get a final answer. But in other instances, you will have to leave it as such. Okay, take this down first. Right. We have finished that as well. Okay. Now let's move on to the calculations that are there in the textbook. Okay. The calculations that are there in the textbook, they are pretty much similar to what I have been teaching you right now. So you should be able to get it easily. Let's see now. 2 upon x plus 5, 3 upon 2 times x minus 3. These are the examples that you get in your grade 10 textbook children. Let's solve this sum first. Right. What do you have here? You can either expand it here and take it over or the other way around, but still will expand it. What is 2 times x minus 3? 2x minus 6. So we write 2 over x plus 5, 3 over within brackets as such. Now here understand them individually. 2 upon x plus 5 is 2 being divided by x plus 5. 3 over 2x minus 6 is 3 being divided by 2x minus 6. Therefore, division, when it goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. Division, when it goes to the other side, what does it become? It becomes multiplication. Now we write 2x plus into plus 2 minus 6 into plus 2 plus 6 into plus 3 plus 5 into plus 3. Again, from the outside number, we multiply the inside numbers following the order, signs, numbers, letters. Then what we have? Plus 4x minus 12 plus 3x plus 15. Now look at this. Now we write the like terms together. Plus 4x minus 3x plus 15 minus 12 when it goes to the other side becomes plus. Therein plus 1x is plus 17, x is 17. Easy as such. Yes or no? Now always remember now in an instance as such, there is no need for you all to divide. There is no need for you all to divide 27 by 1. You just can have it as such. Take it down. Actually, that's enough time. Now let's look at this other sum. Very easy, very important. 2 upon x minus 1 minus 1 over 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 3 over 4. Right. What is it that we understand as seen here? We know that to add or subtract fractions, we should have a common denominator. Here, to find the common denominator, we should have to find the LCM. We divide it by x minus 1. What am I left with? Yeah. So the LCM here is, children, 2 into x minus 1, 2 times x minus 1. This is the LCM that we have. Therefore, what do we do? We multiply each and every fraction with the found LCM. When I say each and every fraction, only the fractions in this side. We are just going to leave 3 upon 4 as it is. We are not going to be concerned. Please simplify them. 2 times 2, 4, minus 1 over 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 3 over 4. Now what is it? 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 over 2 times x minus 1 is 3 over 4. Division, multiplication. Division, multiplication. But we know that 2 times x minus 1, 2x minus 2. There is no shame in doing those calculations little by little, part by part, and have it as such. Now we cross multiply. Why? Division goes to the side, becomes multiplication, vice versa. 3 into 4, 3 times 2x minus 2. 12 equals 3 times 2x minus 2. 12 equals 6x minus 6. Look at that. Very simple. Right? Now, minus 6 taken to the other side. What do we have, children? 6x is equal to 18. Now 18 is divided by 6. And hence, you get the answer to be as plus 3. Right. Okay. That being done, I want you all to do exercise 15.1 Q&R. The last two sums is in page 153. Do these two sums and show me. Okay. So again, what I need you all to know is that here expand it, solve it, gradually do the sum. Not everything at once. If you were to do everything at once, you wouldn't be able to do it. Okay? Right.